Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot CRM deal. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Sales dashboard. Look for the Deals tab on the top menu and click on it. On the Deals page, locate the option to customize your pipeline. Click on the Pipeline drop-down menu to see your current pipeline settings. Choose the pipeline you want to configure from the list. To modify your deal stages, click on Edit Stages. Here, you can add new stages or adjust existing ones to better fit your sales process. To add a new stage, click on the Add Stage button. Enter a name for the new stage and set the probability of closing a deal at this stage. Arrange the order of stages by dragging them into your preferred sequence. Once done, click Save to apply your changes. Next, let's customize the properties associated with your deals. Go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, select Properties. Search for Deal Properties to see the default fields available. To add a custom property, click on Create Property and choose the appropriate field type. Name your property and provide any necessary details. Save your custom property once completed. Return to the Deals page. Here, you can add custom properties to each deal by clicking on an individual deal. Update the deal with relevant information using your custom fields. To enhance collaboration, set up notifications for deal activity. Head back to the settings and navigate to the Notifications tab. Enable notifications for deal changes to stay updated in real time. Next, use the Filters feature to segment deals based on various criteria. Click on the Filter button to specify conditions like deal amount, stage, or close date. This allows you to focus on deals that need your attention most. To further automate your sales tracking, consider creating deal workflows. In the main menu, select Automation and then Workflows. Choose Create Workflow and follow the prompts to set up automated actions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.